Wow, I'm on location out in the Indian Trail, Wesley Chapel area. This is a brand new Eastwood Homes model. What's it called, Mark?
This is the Edgefield model. It's a 2,611 square foot, 3-bedroom ranch plan with a beautiful office, open kitchen, and a covered back porch.
How about this one?
This is the Fenwick, starting at 1,738 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms with a covered porch and big open floor plan.
Now, we're at Heritage. You and, I know MI's here, but they're not the 55 plus. It's you and Essex Homes, and they've done that with MI out at the Conservancy and so on. But this is Eastwood's first foray, and what a fabulous location out here. What can you tell us about Heritage?
Heritage is an active adult, a 55 and older community, all ranch plans with maintained yards. It's going to have a 7,000 square foot beautiful clubhouse that's going to have fitness center, recreation, kitchen. It's also going to have a pool with a covered cabana. It's a great active adult community right here in Indian Trail with low Union County taxes.
So now we're looking at another neighborhood over here, but we're heading back. I like that it's tucked way off the road. Direct me back to where your lots and specs are. Off to the left over here? Okay, yeah, wow. That's yours?
That's Eastwood Homes, active adult. It's all craftsman style homes.
Man.
They're all going to have James Hardy board on the outside with stone trim, architectural shingles. So all of our homes are craftsman style design. They're all very energy efficient.
What is that one?
That is the Edgefield. That's also the model home that we just came from. So we have ready to move into inventory homes. All 3 bedrooms, and we also have 1.5 story homes as well.
What about that next one right there? What is that called?
That is the Fenwick. That's also one of our models, and that's also a 3-bedroom ranch plan. And these homes all start in the upper 2s to low 300s.
But realistically, I mean, you know, you're a sales guy for the other side. You know, I'm sitting in a model, and I come in, bam. I'm on the other side. I represent the buyers. Give me the all-in price. Once they go to design, and by the way, I love the Eastwood Design Center. I love it. These lots are available. What are they going to spend all in?
That's a great question. Good thing about Eastwood Homes is that they come with so many standard features in the homes. So you don't have to put that many upgrades at our design center. But all in, our homes are going to be anywhere from the low 300s to the upper 300s. Our largest plans may be capping out in the low 400s, all options in. And we also have a beautiful 5,000 square foot design center where they have multiple selections and upgraded cabinets and features. Design center.
By the way, we don't hear much from Jack, but he just encountered somebody walking their 2 dogs, so he had to say something. Yeah. And that's part of the serenity here. I mean, this just feels, it's tucked way back, but it just feels very serene.
And we have wooded home sites available too. There's going to be walking trails and open common areas, pocket parks, along with the big 7,000 square foot, 3-acre amenity center. So this is a great pedestrian area, low maintenance, great way to get into an active adult community.
Now tell us about the amenity center. It's under construction. What's it going to have in it?
It's going to have a fitness center. It's going to have an open rec area, grand area. It's going to have some game rooms, activity centers. We'll also have some outside pocket parks, maybe some bocce ball, activity center, along with a cabana and pool area, open grill. So it's a perfect active adult lifestyle.
Yeah. Well, it sounds great. And again, tell us about the area for people that are relocating. They're not real familiar maybe with Indian Trail and or Wesley Chapel. What can you tell us?
Well, you're in Union County, so you're just about 20 minutes from the Charlotte area, so easy access back into the Charlotte area, but you get low Union County taxes, Indian Trail. So it's a great location. I'm just 2.5 miles from the local shopping center in Sun Valley. So you've got restaurants, grocery stores, drugstores, movie theater. And then we're also 4 miles from Wesley Chapel where there's more shopping. And then in 15 minutes, you can get back over to the Waverly area close to I-485.
That's where Jack and I spend most afternoons. We live right over by there.
So
there's a couple of dogs there, Jack. What are you going to do, pal? He's in the back seat. Trying to be a good real estate dog. Now, this looks like...
That's a 1.5 story plan called the Avery.
I love the Avery. That's the model down at Walnut Creek, right?
Yep, and this one we did the upstairs, so it's 1.5 stories. It's over 2,500 square feet, loaded with options and upgrades at a low price of $365, ready to move into. This is our Fenwick. This is just over 1,700 square feet with a lot of nice upgrades and a covered back porch for only $314, ready to move into.
Wow. Now, look at the style on this one. This is one of your models too, right?
This is one of our models, and unfortunately, this one is sold, but we have another one being built that will be ready soon.
Wow. All right, so give me a call at 704-345-3400. The latest over 55 active adult living right here in Wesley Chapel / Indian Trail. I can't wait to be your buyer's agent. I'll see you in the next video.